patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree.
Okay, right quick on Shiba Inu. I had to come in, I see something in the charts, I see something that's looking real spicy. But first of all, yesterday I told y'all I had a stop loss set. So I got stopped out right up here at about 10.34. I had a stop loss. My trade was in, expecting this to play around and then eventually bounce up out of this. But I had a tight stop loss in, so I got stopped out right here. But now I'm looking to buy back in. I'm looking for the right spot. And what I'm noticing is, if you look back, this is the 4-hour, this is the 2-hour chart, by the way. I want to go into the 2-hour just to zoom in and show you where I took my stop loss at. I lost about 13 bucks on this stop loss. I had upped my leverage real high on this one, so I lost about 13 bucks. So I'm down. I'm gonna show y'all that in just a second. So I'm gonna go into the 4-hour chart because it gives me a better picture and I can really show you what I'm talking about. But notice how we go sideways. Like, look how this trend is sideways, right? Then start looking at these 4-hour candles, how they start going down. And then it's a build up. They start turning blue, right? It's a build up, build up. Each time we making higher highs until we finally just explode up, right? Same thing here. Once we hit this long wick right here. Once we hit this long wick, you can see it start to round up. Blue candle. Even though this is a white candle, it stayed. It didn't close below. The body didn't close below this one right here, right? So that's considered a blue candle. And then boom, we had the pop up, right? And started to move all the way up. Got above this blue trend, got above this blue MA, and then we rode it all the way up until we finally broke below this MA, and then we started to trend where we at right now. So as of right now, I'm looking for some sign of rejection. Or I'm in my trade right now. I bought back in down here. I start seeing this wick. I start seeing this bottom right here. We got like a double bottom, boom, boom, right? So I'm looking for this to keep turning blue. But if this goes up and gets rejected and then we start turning red again, I'm gonna take my profits or whatever I got and exit my trade. Like we break this line, we start to come down. I don't want to come out here. Once we break this, I don't want to come out here. We need to go start curving up right now, right? To stay in trend with what's previously been happening. So I'm looking for, just like this curved up, I'm looking for this to curve up and shoot up out of here. Now I went back and drew in a big box, green box, right? So if we make this move, then I'm most likely thinking that we're gonna go up and test this line up here, which is a 22% move. So that's the setup on this. So I would risk, I'm in my trade, I can get stopped out right here. If we go below this and start falling, I'm stopped out. But I can make a 22% move if this does what this does over here and over here. And we continue to go up for a third wave up to this line right here, which is about, how high is it? Let's see what we at right here. At about 12.5, somewhere like that. So yeah, I zoomed out on the daily so I can get a better view. But yeah, looking at about 12.5, 12.6 at the top right here of this trend line, which this trend line goes all the way back to, I think it's 2022, probably about a year ago. Yeah, August 2022. So this is a year-long trend line that I'm expecting us at least come up and test one more time. So once we get up here, I'm gonna take my profits because we could come up, test, get rejected, and then come back down. So I'm taking my profit up here at about 12.5. All right, and we'll see where we at with that. All right, Shiba Inu, I'm out. And before y'all go, y'all come check me out on Twitter, Rob is sick. I got my link to all the Swine Head merch, man. We got some dope merch. I got some dope merch on Amazon. So y'all just go over here, click this link, right? Also go like some of my tweets. See what I'm talking about over here, man. I tweet randomly. come engage with me on Twitter. Rob is sick. Now, if you click this link, it's going to take you over to the Amazon page. Right, it goes to my profile on Amazon, and I got this link takes you to a list of books that help me, you know, as far as self-improvement, self-help books. I got a lot of them over here, so y'all can go over there and check that out. I also got merch. I've been looking for water bottles. Go to your search bar, type in Swine Heads, and I should pop up. There we go. Swine Heads pop up. Now you can see all the different merch that I have, all the different designs. Got the logos. I got some graphic design hoodies. I have tank tops. I have everything, man. I got tote bags. Where my tote bags at? There we go. Okay, so if you go up here and you search Swine Heads, and you get all different type of merch, man. You get hoodies, you get phone cases, you get pillowcases. This is real abstract art, by the way. This is my real art that I'm putting on different items, right? Pillowcases that look so dope on that pillowcase. If you got a black and white theme going on, there you go. All my different graphics, man. But I got all different type of merch, different things. I got tote bags, just different things that you can go and purchase to represent Swine Heads. It's about to be hoodie season, so go check out the new hoodies, different colors, all different colors.